Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a dot charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the crankshaft position sensor are located. If you have problems with your crankshaft position sensor, always check those first. We'll explain where you can find them. Also, if you need to buy parts tools at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, for any of you guys that want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor on a car, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. Check it out. Now, the fuses and relays for crankshaft position sensor will demonstrate on that dot charger here. What you need to do, open the hood, and doesn't matter if you have a V6 or a V8, the fuse box facing the engine is on the left side. This is the passenger side here. You will notice you have two tabs present together. Pull the cover out and you're going to find underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, for the crankshaft position sensor now, which fuses and relays we need to check multiple ones, because there is very limited information about those, so we need to check all engine management fuses. One of them most likely is for the crankshaft position sensor. Now if you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor, videos will be on our YouTube channels. Come in that row of fuses, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot. That's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the first one that you need to check. Then check fuse 34, 35, 37, and relay 65. ASD relay. Open the trunk next guys. When you open the trunk, here you need to lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire, the car battery. Behind the car battery is the trunk fuse box. That's a closer look of it. These tabs here, squish them together, pull the cover out, and you will see that layout here. Now here we need to check relay 29, and some of you may have relay 14 as well. That will be another one that you need to check on dot charger. So this guy's dot charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays. Put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.